In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a fixed cost in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll know exactly where to enter a fixed cost, what it means, and how to control when it's applied so your reports and cash flow look right. First, we'll add a fixed cost to a task. Make sure you're looking at your project in the Gantt chart view by going to View and choosing Gantt chart. Next, on the ribbon, open Tables and switch to the Cost table. This view exposes the cost-related fields you need. Find the task you want to charge, then locate the fixed cost column. Click into that cell and type the amount you want to assign, such as 5,000. As soon as you enter it, that value is attached to the task and rolls up into its total cost. You'll see it combined with any resource-driven costs right in the same table. Because this is a fixed amount, it doesn't depend on work or duration, and it won't change if the task takes longer or shorter than expected. Let's briefly clarify what a fixed cost is. It represents a non-resource expense, things like travel, permits, or vendor fees that you want to capture against a specific task, but that aren't coming from a resource assignment or hourly rate. It's a great way to make sure your budget includes those one-off or lump sum items without creating placeholder resources. Now, if you want more control over when that cost is recognized, you can set the accrual method. In the same cost table, look for the fixed cost accrual field for that task. Choose Start if the cost should hit at the beginning of the task, and if it should be recognized when the task is completed, or prorated if you want it spread evenly across the task's duration. This setting influences how the cost appears over time in reports and cash flow views, which is especially helpful for forecasting and earned value analysis. If you need to record a cost for the entire project, like overhead or utilities, you can add a fixed cost at the project level. Go to the Format tab and turn on the Project Summary task. This reveals a top row that summarizes the whole project. In that row's fixed cost field, enter the amount you want to apply across the project. It's an efficient way to represent organization-wide expenses without attaching them to a single task. That's all you need to accurately capture and time-fix costs in Microsoft Project.